Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Leanne. Welcome back to Leanne's Playhouse. This day is another different video because we're making kinetic sand. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you what you all need. You need some glue, activator, and shaving foam and colorful sand. Okay guys, and now let's pour the glue into the bowl first. Make sure you don't put a lot. And then we put some activator. And then now let's mix it. Now let's put a little bit of shaving foam. Oh my gosh. That's it. That was really cool and exciting. Now let's mix it. I think I need some more activator to make it slide. Okay guys, now I'm done with the slime. Now let's take it out from the spoon. Oh, now we need some colorful sand. Okay, that's perfect. Let's close it and mix it with our hands. We gotta mix the slime until it's making kinetic sand. I think I need some more. Wow, looks like it's sparkly. I'm so excited to see if it makes kinetic sand. Wow, it's starting to be the kinetic sand. I need some more. We gotta put a lot until it makes cushy or kinetic sand. Wow. It looks really cool, and also I'm so excited to turn into a kinetic sand because it's the first time I'm doing the kinetic sand. Ooh, I'm so excited. Whoa. Okay guys, I'm done. So I'm gonna show you, put it like this. Get it out. Here. Wow. Now, so I'm not gonna use the sharp one. I'm just gonna use this one. So I'm gonna just cut it. Wow, do you hear the sound? It's so nice. Now I'm gonna hold a piece of this. I'm gonna show you something that is really awesome. So I do like that, and then ta-da! That's really cool. It's like making a bubble. Wow! Wow, this was so amazing. Gonna do it again. It's like almost a bubble. Ooh, wow. Did you see that? That's really awesome and exciting. Now I'm gonna do the shape of the square. So I'm gonna make it flat. Not really flat. And press. Oh, I made a square. I'm gonna take the others out. I'm gonna just cut it with a knife. Now I'm gonna trim this out. Take the edges out. Wow, this is a perfect square. Now take here, here. Oh, I made a square. I can make it without the shape. We'll smush it, smush it. Now I'm gonna do another thing. So I'm gonna just take all of this here, here, like that. Like doing it like that, like that. Then I'm gonna cut it, see what sound does it make. Wow, super flat. You see that, guys? Super cool. Ooh, wow. It makes rolls. Can you cut it? I'm gonna cut it from up. Ta! Yeah, yeah! I smushed it all. Wow. It's like a little soft. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you. This sand is natural and good. Uh-oh, I gotta open one. I'm gonna make some shapes without this mold. So I'm gonna make a circle. Let's make a circle like that, and then push. I made a circle. I'm gonna make a triangle. I bring this, and then I do like that. Ta-da! I made a triangle. Now I'm gonna make a square. So I'm gonna do like a circle and shape it like that. I'm gonna use the knife. Wow. I made a square. Now let's do a rectangle. I'm gonna use a long piece to do the rectangle. And I make a rectangle. Let's do a heart. I love making hearts. Now I'm gonna just use the knife for the middle shape. Just like cut here. Like that. And then, ta-da! I made a heart. And I'm gonna make a stars. I love stars in the night. Gonna make one here, one there, and one there. And 2 legs. They're supposed to be sharp, like that. Ta-da! A star! Gonna make another shape. What shape? Oh, I can make an oval. It's the same as the circle, but it's like thin a little. Gonna make a circle. And just like curve it. I'm gonna use it with the knife because with the knife it will be more easier. Okay guys, I made an oval. What else shape could I make? Oh, I can make this shape. I need some of these. Can you guess what shape I'm doing? Alright, you will see. It's like that. That shape. Now, ta-da! I'm done. Gonna put it here. You to see. Like this. What shape could I get? Oh, I can make this shape. Now I'm gonna make this shape, but really tiny. I'm gonna make a tiny circle. Super tiny. I guess I'm gonna make another shape. Oh, I'm gonna make a lion. Let's make a lion. Let's do his face. His face like that, and then we need this. Around him. He got some furry things around his face. So I'm trying to do that. Crush, 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 crush. I'm gonna do the eyes. Ooh, and here. Here's the eyes. Gonna make the mouth. He looks like he has a mustache. Now, for his nose, like that. Like that, and ta-da! I made a lion. It looks a little bit funny. I'm gonna show you guys. Put it right there. It looks like a little creepy. Okay guys, for now guys, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell. And don't forget to comment about all of my shapes. Bye!